All right, howdy, folks. I'm here at the Hall of Flame Fire Museum in Phoenix, or technically Tempe, Arizona, and I'm here with Bob. And behind us is a truck that was restored from 9/11. So, Bob, can you tell me about this truck a little bit?
Okay, this truck responded to the 9/11 incident. It was one of 5 rescue trucks of this type that are in service with the New York City Fire Department. This truck was not in the collapse zone, so it did not sustain any serious damage that would render it unserviceable. This was out on Broadway, so it did get some concrete chunks and dust of that sort, but nothing to keep it out of service. So eventually this truck was purchased by a retired New York firefighter who lives in San Diego. He donated it to the museum. So there were several of our volunteers got into contact with some retired Rescue 4 people and some current Rescue 4 people, and they got together to determine what was required to restore this to its state of display that you see it now. A lot of it was just cosmetic. There was nothing really structural to replace because the truck was never damaged to that degree.
And so, because of 343 firefighters died on that day of 9/11, 2001, it was literally 2 weeks after I started playing this bad boy. We're going to honor those firefighters right now by the playing of taps. So, let's get after it. Thank you for your service.